What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and today we're doing a review on the GNARBOX. It's pretty gnarly. Okay guys, I'm gonna keep this review pretty short. This isn't one of my normal Jeep videos. This isn't a Jeep product specifically, but I think this product would be kind of handy for any of you Jeep owners out there who like to take video of your rigs. This is the GNARBOX. Basically, it's a little external hard drive, and it's 256 gigabytes, completely waterproof, shockproof. You can throw it in the snow. I mean, I had it in the snow, buried. You can drop it in a puddle. You're not gonna have to worry about losing your footage, and you don't have to carry around a big laptop, which is a huge thing on the trail. You don't really want to keep a laptop bouncing around, ruining that. So basically, the main feature is you have these two little trays that pop open, and you have a spot for your SD card, micro SD card, USB, and you can upload all your footage right to this. And that way, if your card gets full while you're shooting video on the trail, you upload your footage right to this. What's really handy is you have an app that'll connect to your smartphone, so you can look at the footage, delete footage, and even post to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever, right from here. You can actually edit it right on your phone. It's not the quickest, not the best editing platform, but if you just want to get a little teaser video up, I highly recommend this thing. It's now in my camera bag 24/7. I really love it. It's really small, compact. The battery lasts quite a while. I haven't fully tested to see how long the battery will last, but I only turn it on to upload footage, and I haven't run out of battery yet. So this is really neat. Really sturdy design. It's not super heavy, and it'll fit in your camera bag or in your pocket or wherever. You can just tuck it in here and nobody will know you have it. It's kind of like this hard plastic with a kind of a rubber bumper around here. You got your power button right on the front. And like I said, the two waterproof little doors, so you're not gonna get any water in there. I've dropped this thing a couple of times and it hasn't seemed to affect it at all. It's really helpful, and it even works well in the cold weather. It's like maybe 16 degrees out right now, and I could hook anything I want up to it. If you want to share footage between a couple of people, and you can just have them download it right to here, and then you can plug it in when you get home to your computer, and it's just like an external hard drive. Quick, easy way to get footage. So if you're gonna wanna make some Jeep videos, I definitely think this is a high necessity. I love this product, GNARBOX. Check it out. I'll leave a link to the product below in the description box, so if you wanna get one, that's where to get it. So I'm gonna go inside and get warm, guys. Stay bearded, stay Jeepin'. I'm out.